Tears, pain, and survival now define life for the father of three in Watercress, Westmoreland. Each night ends in the same place, a car seat instead of a bed, Ramada Lyons reports.
The road to recovery has been bumpy, so Johnathan Headley sleeps in his car next to the rubble that was once his home in Watercress, Westmoreland. He's looking ahead, but October 28, 2025 continues to stir up emotions. The father of three burst into tears as he recounted the sequence of events that had him running for his life.
I see this time when I run out and go down there, so there's 6 apartment house. I have to run out, bro. Let me see the mango tree dropping in the car. I have to run out, go down there, so then I see the rooftop lift off. And couldn't know better, I go down this one, stay there, I start pray to God, I say, do Jesus. I start pray and pray. I tell them, pray and pray and pray. Tell them, see some people are gonna come. I'm there and I just relax myself. And, you know, it's just stressful, brother, trust me. And when it blow down, they say, I'm not seeing nothing. You notice, them look a sheet there. Everything in the house, nothing I see me. I'm an amplifier, I'm a turntable, I can't show them because enough of them around there. So everything just wet up. And the whole house just blow down, I don't know the zinc them gone.
That set the mood for the remainder of our visit. Eventually, he showed me around the yard where he's trying to piece his life back together. Bank cards, account details, birth certificate. All important documents were floating on water. What he could save, he has them on a piece of zinc in the sun, trying to get them dry. He uses zinc, board, and a drum to catch rainwater to flush an outside toilet. Another setup here to collect water for other use. This is what he managed to put together from old materials.
Go on and tell me start. Take up 1 or 2 pieces of board and start take out nail and do what I have to do.
Earlier, I mentioned the car turned bedroom. Even that comes with challenges for the man who's just trying to make things work.
Just me alone sleeping in the car. I have 3 kids, but them nice with me. Sometimes I want a little stretch out. Peeing up, man. Style them place, yeah. Peeing up. I told them my daughter come here and bring one little net, because I have 2 beds. 2 beds in the house. So through them wet up and them stink, you know. So we normally do know, I just use the canvas and spread money. But what happened now, I can't see how that little part and I catch it up. I still can't sleep in there because the mosquito them terrible. So when I lock up in the car now and relax myself, there's no mosquito bite.
And some nights, sitting among the mosquitoes and accepting the bites willingly is the more appealing option.
When I lock up in the car, it's kind of hot. So about 12 o'clock, I sit down out here and I get the little breeze and tell my feet sleeping, I just go in the car and lock up. And it's, trust me, it's, you know, if I had the money, I would just know my thing and, you know, build back a little house and thing like that. But it's very hard. It's very hard. Even me do like a farming, see me, and nothing at all I save. Nothing. I plant like a scallion, like a cabbage, every little thing. Nothing to save, everything just gone.
Mr. Headley made this plea for a container home.
I'm asking you, please, I need it. I need a container, I need it. I don't say, I just need it, I need it. You know, and if I get it, I think everything will be okay.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.